Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check your Libara SIM number quickly and easily. First, make sure your Libara SIM card is properly inserted into your phone and that you have signal. Then, open your phone's dial pad and enter the simple USSD code. Star hash 100 hash and press the call button. After a few seconds, your Libara mobile number will appear on your screen. You can take note of it or save it in your contacts for future reference. If the code doesn't work for some reason, don't worry, you can also contact Libara customer service. Just call their helpline and a representative will assist you in retrieving your number. And that's it. You've now learned two easy ways to check your Libara SIM number. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.